Hello, in this tutorial I want to introduce you some of the uh, most important algorithms. Although I think I covered everything that is needed for this, and we can move the object-oriented programming after it, but I think it is good to know. It helps you improve your logic if you understand how does these algorithms work, and even it can be very useful in in some situation. Later, when we learn the STL standard template library, you will find much better algorithms for that, which probably quicker and better. But I will show you just the most basic algorithms. Okay, this can be easily applied to any other programming language, for actually any other programming language which have loops and variables arrays in it. And let's get started. I think the first algorithms to cover would be the sorting algorithm. We will use the simple sort. This will contain two for loops, if statement and a swap. Alright, let's get started. First of all, include another library, cstd_lib, like that, because we need a few random number which we will sort. Alright, declare an int array, contains, I don't know, 100 elements. That should be enough. See the random number generator as runtime null. Alright, and first of all make a for loop that will put random elements into the array. So for int I equals 0, I less than 100, I plus plus. Alright, inside this we want that AI, so the array's ith element, make equal to rand modulus sign, and I don't know, make it 1000 plus 1 to don't make 0 in it, although it's not problem to have a 0, but don't make 0 for now. Alright, and make another for loop, int I equals 0, I less than 100, I plus plus, which is just write out the elements in the array, separated with a simple space. After it, make a new line and make two new lines, like that. And now the sorting algorithms came. Sort. We need two for loops. One for loop will go to the first element, to the last minus one element. The other for loop will go to the second element, to the last element. Let's start. For int I equal 0, I less than 99, although I think I should make a constant. So const, because we learned that just now, const n, actually int because it's an integer, n equal 100, and just change these to n. It is better because you can easily change the value if you want to a bigger number. And here n minus 1, and we increase the I. Okay, inside this for loop, actually we don't need code blocks here. We need a j variable which is I, so the initialized value is I, j less than n, and j plus plus. Okay, and if, although I think I don't tell that, it has more lines, but just one statement. So there is just one statement, the for loop. Inside this for loop there is just one statement, the for loop. This for loop has just one statement, the if statement. So there is no need for code block, even we put more line of code here, because actually there are not lines which separates them, because we could put everything after it, so this would be correct, but it is hardly readable. Oh, so there is just one statement in it, and that statement, and inside that statement there is just one other statement, the if. So if ai is bigger than aj, then we make a swap, so we swap the two elements. Alright, we need code block here because there is 3 line of code, there is 3 statement in here. First we create an integer temp value, tmp, and make it equal to ai, like that, and make the ai equal to aj, and make the aj equal to tmp, like that. This is very simple to see what is going on here. We just simply make a temp variable and put it, so just simple swap it. So let me show you an example. This is my talent of drawing. Okay, here there is a 2 cup, and we want to swap what is inside, so there is something in here and here, and we want to swap it, but we can't do that we swap from here to here, because we cannot mix the two the drink what is inside them. So we just get a third cup from somewhere, and from one of the cup this is the temp, tmp, like that. We just put the drink inside that temp cup, then we use this line, so we just swap the two value, and after it we push back the drink inside the second cup, like that. Alright, I think this is clear for everyone. And yeah, let's write out the sorted array. So int I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus, like that, and write out the AI and the space after it. After that, make an end line. Alright, it should work. Let's see. Okay, get a terminal, compile the program. We have no error, that's great sign. Alright, this is the random numbers we have inside in here. And this is the sorted array. As you can see, it is perfectly sorted. The smallest number should be 3 somewhere in here. I don't see it, but oh, here it is. This is the smallest number, and 999 is the greatest number in this row, and it is here. And as you can see, it is perfectly sorted. It is a pleasure to see it. We can run the program again, and there should make another random number like that. It has another maximal value and another minimal value, and so on. We can run the program, and as you can see, with any random number, it will sort that array. So this is the basic of sorting. Let's go through the algorithms. Alright. First we create the maximal element, we create an array of that element, see the random number generator, make it 1000 is the greatest number, and 1 is the lowest number, so the smallest number. We write out the array, so nothing new in here. We just made 2 new line, and here where the sort is start. So let's see, we have 2 for loops inside them. One of them will go 0 to n minus 1, and the other will go I to n. So I should draw something very nice again. Alright, we just oh, that color. Alright, and stop a little. Alright, here is the array. It's a little smaller array.